myself first. So the first reporter would be me. My name is Elaine A. Santari. The second reporter would be Raquel Serol, and the last one is Nikki Robles. So again, that's all, and let's begin our discussion. So effective brand promotion is crucial for enterprises to surpass hesitancy. So the brand communication is mauni siya ang ginahimo or pamaagi sa isang kumpanya para mapaabot sa uban unsa ang ilang mga product or service na ilang gina-offer sa market. And also, it's really important to know the specific target audience of the marketing para makabalo sila unsa ang mga needs and wants and preferences para atong ma-satisfy ang isa ka customers. And the next one would be subsequently, the brand is promoted among the specific group by various methods which include what are not related to. So once a company identifies their target audience, so it means is nag-lead na nila of how they will be going to promote their product or services to the market. So the first one would be the advertising. So advertising is the paid message to the channels o muna sila ang mga channels na ginahimo sa isang kumpanya para mapaabot ang ilang product sa ilang mga customer. So example ana is nag-hire ang model ng isang company para mag-promote ang ilang product. So muna siya ang advertising. And the second is sales promotion. So the sales promotion is the muna siya ang mga discounts or coupons sa isa ka product. So this example sa Watson. So if you buy the ay papalit ka isang ay bundle or like buy one take one. So mupalit ka buy one take one which is makalas ka o expensive. What if makalas ka expensive kung mupalit ka isa ka product na buy one take one the same product na buy one take one, this is mga expensive din siya, no? So kung makapalit, so if ever nga makapalit ka ako buy one take one, di ba makalas ka? So mo na ang ginatawag na promotion. Sales promotion rather. So the third one would be the public relation. So the public relation is only managing brands with a reputation through the market, through social media. So ang ginamitan na is maraming mga strategic approach. Maumari siya ang mga strategic approach para mag-build ang inyong relation towards the organization. Mauna siya ang public relation. And direct marketing, which is mauna siya ang direct marketing is communicating directly with your customer, like email or sa Gmail. Mauna siya ang direct marketing. And the fifth would be the personal selling. The personal selling is mauna siyang direct selling towards your customer, or mauna yung tawag na ito of face-to-face selling. Like example sa Watson again, di ba? So, may mga beliefs, norms, and values na isa ka company na ginapalo sa organization. So, as example, so let's have a give an example of this. So, sa isa ka company is nag-make sila sa isa ka product. So, ang isa ka product at isa ang tipo nila ng product, it should be aligned with the culture sa isa ka company na kailangan ginagawa. So, mauna siya ang the corporate culture. So, the third is the brand purpose. So, it defines the brand essence and attributes. So, para masakan, magkakatong example. So, example is one brand na Amol. So, ang focus sa ilang brand, which is the simplicity and innovative and high quality. So, ano siya, ang kata is, ang ilang brand is nag-innovate na sila ang mga new gadgets sa ilang brand. So, dalawa ng mamili or naghanap palit because ang brand niya ako, which is famous siya ang brand mo. Kung i-order ka na ang pag-connect, nakakay kaya sa inyong online na palintingana. So, ito is nagkakakat siya o ka ng pagmalong lang ako, which is hindi siya gamiton and all. So, mauna na siya ang topic, and let's proceed to another reporter who said,
So, good evening everyone. My assigned topic is consumer experience. When we say consumer experience, how consumers feel when they interact with a product or service. This includes packaging, design, and customer service, and how the product meets expectations. And also a good experience makes customers more loyal and likely to recommend the product to others. So next is communication tools. So ang communication tools is known siya ang channels or methods na gina-use to convey message, information, or ideas to a target audiences. Sa communication tools is advertising, direct selling, and digital platforms like Facebook. So ang communication tools is mauna siya ang channels or methods na gina-use to convey message or information or ideas to target the audiences. For example, fashion brands, Instagrams, Reels, or trend faces, and Twitter for real-time customer support. For example, guys, diba sa Instagram, na Reels, ang fashion brand is nagamit siya ang Instagram sa Instagram community service na para i-promote na ilang product, and then sa TikTok is na nag-a-active. Next is promotional tools. So, ang promotional tools is mauna siya ang strategy na gigamit how to promote the specific product or service. For example, magkakag siya o discount kung dapat ka o last one is integration tools. So, ang integration tools is mauna siya ang technology na ginagamit para monitor na ito ang feedback sa isang customer. Kung nakay positive or negative sa ilang mga feedback. So, dapat ikaw ang smart leader, dapat visible ka na mudawat sa mga negative na feedback para ma-improve pa niyo ang so sa performance is gina-use siya sa technology para mahibalaan kung nag-increase ka ang revenue. I think that's all to my topic, and the last reporter is
Good evening. So I'm going to report to you about the Creating Integrated Marketing Communication Plan, or the IMC. So this plan unifies all the marketing tools like ads, social media, and so on. So it delivers consistent timing messages to your target's audience, and by strategically blending tactics like advertising, promotion, and digital outreach. And this maximizes brand awareness, drives engagement, and delivers measurable results. All while ensuring your message reaches the right of the people and the right time and place. So, why is it important? It is important because it makes the increased brand awareness. So it makes sure people know about your brand, and they will also remember your brand as well. And it is important by creating a strong brand recall. So people will remember your brand whenever your customer or consumer in the wherever or a mall or something in other countries. So I have some example in the IMC, in the creating integrated marketing communication plan. So my example is here's some example. This is an IMC plan provides channels, social media, and print events to target audiences strategically. The example organization B. So it promotes honeymoon packages to the newlyweds, to digital ads, and pilgrimage tours to seniors through tailored campaigns. So on my experience, from a previous company, like in the Coca-Cola, so they used to make a advertisement of what we call promo. So you get the target. You can either the target, you can achieve the target, or you can get it from the raffle. So not in a honeymoon. So and based on my experience, there's someone from trip to Singapore like that, and they joined, or they bought some products in the Coca-Cola with in the exchange of the raffle ticket. So that's how Coca-Cola used the IMC in the way of social media, and then in this pilgrimage tours or to the seniors through tailored campaigns. So this suppose to promote this, they might use social media like Facebook or Twitter, ads in newspapers, poster and banners. So they try to target the pilgrimage packages to the seniors. If we say pilgrimage packages, so they targeted the senior citizens, and the way they targeted is for me, in my own idea, is they used to I think like what I said, like a raffle ticket, and that's all. So steps to create an IMC plan. So our IMC plan, or the creating integrated marketing communication plan, is the first think about how much money and time you have. Use these resources wisely to promote your product or services. And In this sentence, from the word think about how much money and time you have. So if you have less money, if you have less time, use that money in a wise way. And then understand your brand and audience. So you have to know who your customer are and what they want and how your product service helps them. This helps you spend right message to right people. So in this situation, you targeted your target customer and where you kung saan mo ibebenta yung mga yung